Hello friends, welcome to the EMF school. My name is Saurabh Kumar and I am going to teach you how to calculate wood dimension, that is wood price. Because if we go to the timber market, the price of wood is in cube feet. Yes, the price of the wood is in cube feet. So we need to understand what is cube feet and how to calculate the price of wood. So friends, we know that the wood is measured in cube feet. In our timber market or in timber shop, the carpenter brothers know how to calculate the size of the wood. But if the person who is not from the wood background, or who is not from the carpentry background, or who is not from the furniture background, he don't understand easily what is the size of the wood and how to calculate the price of the wood. So in this video I am going to teach you how to calculate the size of the wood and given a specific price or rate of wood, and therefore we can easily calculate the size and the price of the wood. So first, this is our subject. We need to calculate the size of, first we calculate what is cube feet. Friends, see on the board, cube feet means, cube means 3 dimension, 3D. Square means, square feet means 2 dimension. And what is 3 dimension or 2 dimension? 3 dimension means we can feel it like this. It has height, it has width, it has length. Therefore it is known as a 3 dimension. The 3 dimension and 2 dimension are both are important. If we need to paint this surface, only this surface, then we use square feet. Okay friends, we use square feet. If we calculate the size of this whole wood, then we need to calculate the 3 dimension, that is volume. So for painting we only calculate square feet means area, and if we need all this size and all this, therefore we need to calculate the volume. We need to calculate the volume, and that is why we need to calculate the volume of this wood piece. So friends, I am going to teach you how to calculate the size and take an example to calculate the price of this wood. So friends, let us move forward. Suppose friends, I take an example like this wood. Like this, it is a 3 dimension. It is a 3 dimension. It has length, it has height, it has width or thickness. It has 3 elements: length, width and height. So friends, if we calculate length, if we suppose we calculate length in our general, in timber market line, if we calculate only the length is calculated in feet. The height or width, it may be calculated in inches. It calculated in inches. Width or thickness, it also calculated in inches. But we need to calculate the cube feet. Cube feet, we need to calculate the cube feet because our market is driven in cube feet. A market only understand the cube feet. So therefore we need to calculate our dimension in cube feet. So friends, let us take an example of this wood. We need one tape to measure length, width or height. Let us consider friends, this is, suppose this is length of this wood. let us assume the length of this wood is 5 feet, 5 feet, and height, let us assume the height, let us assume the height of this wood piece is 3 inches, and let us assume the width of this wood piece is 2 inches. We need the cube feet. We in school we understand how to calculate the volume of the cube. Therefore, we have a formula. The formula is length into height into width. So friends, we put our values. Feet is in length is in feet 5, height 3, width 2 inches. So friends, our calculation is in feet, but our height and width is in inches. So we need to make it in feet. So therefore we need to understand how we divide it by 12. So we divide it by 12. Then therefore it becomes in feet. So therefore it becomes in feet. Our length is in feet, our height is in feet, our width is in feet. So friends, why we take 12? Because 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. So that is why I take 12 in the denominator. So therefore we can easily calculate our wood price. So friends, now take calculator. So this is in feet, height, length is in also feet, width is also in feet. So let us take our calculator. This is our calculator friends, scientific calculator. Now put numerator values first. 5 into 3 into 2. So friends, we get an answer that is 30. It get our answer 30. Now multiply our denominators. 12 into 12, 144. Now divide 30 by 144. So our get answer like 20 cubic feet. We get an answer 20 cubic feet. Now this is the volume. Suppose this is the volume of this wood piece. Now we get to understand what is the price. What is the price of this cube feet? What is the price? This is the size. This is the volume of this wood piece. Now we need to understand what is the rate of this cube feet. So friends, our cube feet is 0.2 cubic feet. Now this is our value 0.2 cube feet. Now rate of the timber, rate of the wood piece. How to calculate? If suppose our wood per cubic feet rate is equal to 2000 rupees. 2000 rupees. Suppose our wood per cubic feet rate is 2000 rupees. So we need to calculate the volume of our wood piece. Multiply by the rate of cubic feet per cubic feet per cubic feet. Now put the volume of this wood piece. The volume is equal to 0.2 into the rate of the cube feet is given 2000 rupees. 2000 rupees, and we need to calculate 0.20 into 2000 is equal to friends 400 rupees. 400 rupees. This is the price of this wood, that is 400 rupees. the price varies. If we take a cheap wood, then it may be lesser, it may be cheap. But if we good quality wood, then there the price it also increases. So in this video I teach you how to calculate the volume of the wood and the price of this wood piece. So friends, if you like this video, subscribe our channel, share our video. Thank you.